Something massive is happening under Yellowstone, something the government doesn't want you to know, and if what scientists just discovered is true, America might be facing the biggest threat in history. Yellowstone National Park may look peaceful, but deep beneath the ground is one of the largest supervolcanoes on Earth. And last week, new data revealed something truly terrifying. Something that could change life in the US forever. For years, scientists believed the Yellowstone Supervolcano was stable, dormant, safe, but suddenly, sensors started picking up unusual signals, massive temperature spikes, rapid gas releases, and shockwaves moving through the magma chamber. The first report was quietly removed from the official website. Then a second report disappeared. Then, a whistleblower leaked something shocking: Yellowstone is waking up. Those were the exact words. If Yellowstone erupts, the explosion would be 1,000 times stronger than Mount St. Helens. Ash would cover entire states. Flights would stop, millions could be forced to evacuate, and the sky could stay dark for months. But here's the strangest part. Animals in Yellowstone started acting weird. Bison running away from the park, birds vanishing, thermal pools changing color overnight. Something big is happening, and no one is talking about it. Satellite cameras picked up swelling under the ground. A rise in the Earth's surface of nearly 7 inches. That means pressure is building. A lot of pressure. Why did officials remove the reports? Why did several scientists go silent? Why are drones banned in certain park areas suddenly? People are asking questions, but no one is giving answers. Whether you live in California, Texas, Florida, New York, this affects all of us, because if Yellowstone really is waking up, the entire world will feel it. Share this before it disappears, because someone needs to tell the truth, and it might as well be us.